Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make spicy scrambled fish. You can also call it as fish burji or Meen puttu. So for this recipe I have taken 1 pound of cod fish. You can either use cod fish or the fish of your choice. I've taken 1 onion and sliced it up, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 3 chilies which I have chopped it up, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, and cilantro for garnish. To start this recipe, I am going to steam the fish for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of steaming, the fish is cooked now. After steaming the fish, I am going to just mash it with using a fork. So to start the recipe, first I have added 3 tablespoons of oil into the pan. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. After sauteing for a few minutes, I am going to add the onions to it. Next I am going to add the green chilies and the curry leaves. After sauteing the onions on a medium flame for a few minutes, I am going to add the fish now. To this I am going to add all the spices. Next I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally I am going to add the coriander or cilantro. Now your spicy scrambled fish is ready. You can always adjust the spice and salt according to your taste. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you.